and replace the filter dryer. This is my beautiful recovery machine. If you see so dirty, the condenser, the coil is bad too, so we're gonna clean the condenser, we're gonna clean the coil, we're gonna change the filter, we're gonna check the freon, and we'll go from there. I like to use this chemical for cleaning the condenser and coil. So let's see the process. You can see all the dirt coming out, you see? Everything starts coming out. Come in and see all the, just look what has came off. Woo! All this nasty stuff coming off. Now we're gonna wash it. And then wash it. Watch from here. I'm gonna watch from inside to outside. Watch it. Remember, always from inside to outside. So we're not gonna push the trash to the condenser. We need to take it outside, not inside. Now we clean from inside. You see all this dirt coming. Now just quick wash from the outside for all the dirt.